Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today is a challenge piece, practice. I have a challenge that's coming up that Kathleen from COZ Creations gave me. She gave me a palette and asked me to use thicker paints and lots of negative space. So that's what I'm trying for today. This is Thursday Train, and up next after me is going to be Just Janese, followed by Art by Shelee. So without any further ado, let's get down to the canvas and see what we can come up with. Oh, but wait. This would be a perfect time to go down and click that subscribe button and make sure you hit notifications so that you know what's coming up next. So here we go. Let's get to it. This is Bordeaux Red, Oxide Black, Pearl Copper Gold, Dyke Brown. This is Bird of Paradise, and Satin Enamels in Natural Beige. This will create some clouds or cells. I'm going to put up 3 cups now, and I'm going to fill these. I'll layer these cups exactly the same. Dyke Brown first. Bordeaux Red, Pearl Copper Gold, Natural Beige, next should be Bird of Paradise. And this is the Oxide Black, and I'm going to flood the canvas with it. And I'll leave you at this point to watch, and I'll see you at the end.
Heartbeats, all is silence, darkness in the streets. We cut off the violence and put it to sleep. I can hear you breathing, feel you next to me. Heartbeats, all is silence, can't believe we're kissed. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Just wanna be with you. me now, let it out. I know we found our home. Thinking it's time to shine. We may give it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild. I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Thinking it's time to shine. We may give it all I want is you. Oh, honey, you're just so wild. I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Wanna be with you. Arms around you where we belong. My heart is racing, you're so strong. Take your time, lose control. Let's give in to what we know. Thinking it's time to shine, making it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild. I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Thinking it's time to shine. We may give it all I want is you. Oh, honey, you're just so wild. I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Wanna be with you. Time to shine. All I want is you. Wanna be with you. You're just so wild. I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Wanna be with you.
Well, my camera died while I was doing this, and I went in and I did some erasing and filled in some parts. So there's a few things that I didn't like, and so I went ahead and just do what Kathleen does with hers and just put black over the top of it. It seemed to work. I'm not unhappy with this color combo. I think Kathleen came up with a winner here. That was a lot of fun and very instructive for me. I learned what I need to do next and layering the cup and get a little bit more of an effective ring pour out of this. So up next is going to be Just Janese, followed by Art by Shelee E. So stick around to see what they come up with. And I want to thank you again for being here and hope that you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.